Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if the auto brightness is not working in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So, the first thing that I actually recommend doing is to take a soft cloth. Maybe not a microfiber one, but any cloth that is just soft and dry, of course not watered. Then, here, wipe the top of your phone, the camera, the light ambient sensor, etc. Once it's done, go to the settings over here and now scroll down to the display. Once here, as you can see, it's enabled. Make sure this is disabled. Increase the brightness level, for example, to the maximum level and enable adaptive brightness. This should work for you. If it isn't, toggle sometimes the adaptive brightness so that it will work sometimes in some time. If it works now, that's nice, but if it still doesn't, you have to now restart your phone so that it will just refresh the sensors. Hold the power and volume down, click restart and restart button. Now you just have to wait. This should help you with every single issue that is here. Now, as I can see, our phone is starting, and we can now go to the settings over here, scroll down to the battery, to the display, and check if this option works. As you can see, it does. If it does work for you, that's nice. If it still isn't, you need to contact device support because your ambient light sensor isn't working. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.